When World War II erupted in 1939, Britain faced a formidable enemy in Nazi Germany, one armed with massive military resources and technological prowess. But Britain had a weapon of its own: science. From radar to code breaking, British scientists were at the heart of the war effort, quietly transforming the battlefield through innovation, intellect, and sheer determination. Their breakthroughs not only helped defeat the Axis powers but also ushered in a new era of warfare in global science: the mobilization of science. As the threat of war loomed in the late 1930s, Britain recognized that victory would require more than soldiers and guns. It needed brains. The government formed the Scientific Advisory Committee, pulling together top physicists, chemists, engineers, and mathematicians to tackle wartime challenges. Winston Churchill, a strong advocate for scientific progress, ensured that science had a direct role in military planning and development. This integration led to a surge of invention that dramatically shifted the odds in Britain's favor. Radar, the invention that saved Britain. Perhaps the most crucial contribution came before the war even began: radar. Developed by Sir Robert Watson Watt and his team, radar, radio detection and ranging, gave Britain the ability to detect incoming enemy aircraft while they were still over the English Channel. During the Battle of Britain in 1940, radar gave the Royal Air Force a decisive edge, allowing fighter squadrons to intercept German bombers before they reached British cities. Without radar, the Luftwaffe might have overwhelmed Britain's defenses and paved the way for a German invasion. Bletchley Park and the Codebreakers. One of the greatest secrets of the war was hidden in the countryside estate of Bletchley Park, where British codebreakers worked tirelessly to crack Germany's encrypted communications. Led by brilliant minds like Alan Turing, Dilly Knox, and Gordon Welchman, Bletchley Park successfully broke the codes of the infamous Enigma machine, used by the German military to send secure messages. Later they also cracked the more complex Lorenz cipher, used by Hitler's high command. These breakthroughs gave the Allies access to vital intelligence, codenamed Ultra, which revealed German troop movements, U-boat positions, and invasion plans. Historians estimate that Bletchley Park's work shortened the war by up to 2 years. The cavity magnetron and microwave radar. British scientists at University of Birmingham developed the cavity magnetron, a device that generated powerful microwaves. This allowed for the creation of compact radar sets that could be fitted into aircraft, revolutionizing night bombing, submarine hunting, and battlefield detection. This invention was shared with the United States in the Tizard mission of 1940, sparking joint Anglo-American technological development and boosting Allied wartime innovation. Weapons, bombs, and innovations. British scientists also contributed to a wide array of tactical weapons and devices. The bouncing bomb, designed by Barnes-Wallis, was used in the famous Dambusters raid, Operation Chastise, to destroy German dams. Proximity fuses, developed with U.S. cooperation, allowed shells to explode near targets, improving anti-aircraft defense. The PIAT projector, infantry anti-tank, was an innovative anti-tank weapon for infantry use. Hobart's funnies were a series of specially modified tanks, like mine-clearing tanks and bridge-laying vehicles, designed for the D-Day invasion. Nuclear research in the Manhattan Project. Though the U.S. eventually led the development of the atomic bomb, British scientists played a significant role. The British nuclear research program, Tube Alloys, was the most advanced in Europe before it merged with America's Manhattan Project. Top British scientists, including Rudolf Peales, Klaus Fuchs, and James Chadwick, joined the American effort, bringing critical theoretical knowledge that helped speed the bomb's development. Ironically, Fuchs would later be revealed as a Soviet spy, highlighting the complexities of wartime espionage. Medical and psychological advances. British scientists and doctors also made strides in medical science during the war. Penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming, was mass-produced for the first time, saving countless lives from infection. Advances in trauma care, blood transfusion, and surgery improved survival rates for wounded soldiers. Psychologists studied trauma, stress, and fatigue, improving pilot and soldier performance. From cracking unbreakable codes to inventing radar and revolutionary weapons, British scientists played a critical and often invisible role in winning World War II. Their work helped offset material disadvantages, enabled precision strikes, and laid the foundation for post-war science and technology. In Churchill's words, "The empires of the future will be empires of the mind." And during World War II, it was the sharpness of British minds that helped turn the tide of history.